All right, so I get a lot of questions about my timers. Um, this one in particular. So in my previous videos, you've probably seen a timer like this in the background or something of that nature. And a lot of people ask where I got this timer. To be honest with you, I don't even remember. It's probably Walmart, probably Amazon. If I can find it, I'll put a link in the description below. But what this is a interval timer. So it's not just your typical on-off timer where you set an on and an off time. This one actually lets you go through and pick increments throughout the hours of the day and adjust it accordingly. This is a 30-minute interval timer, all right? You may be able to find a fancy one that's 15 minutes, but 30 minutes is all I've ever needed. And these were relatively inexpensive, and they're the grounded plugs, not just the polarized plugs. Okay, it's got the ground on it, which is very important when you're doing anything near water or humidity. So make sure you've got the 3-prong plugs on everything you do inside your grow tent. Now, specifically, the questions I get most often are how to set this thing. Really, if you can see here, it says time now. So you want this arrow pointing to the closest time that it is. So if it's 11 o'clock in the daytime, you'll point this arrow at the 11 in the daytime bar. Now the next question I get most often is which one's night, which one's day. So think of it this way. The dark is the nighttime. This one does have a little moon, but what confuses people is when it rolls over here into the other color, which is white. So white is the day. So like for instance, it says 6-7, no pun intended. It says 6-7 here. That is where the conversion happens from day to night, all right? And that's actually on both sides. The next question I get is, hey, I lost my instructions. How do I set this thing? So in order to set this, you actually want all of these little prongs pulled up. When they're up, that means everything is off. You will then go push in these little prongs for the duration that you want your item on, right? So I've already got mine preset, and mine is preset for 30 minutes every 4 hours when my grow light is on. And what that's going to do is this is actually going to be set to turn on for 30 minutes and then turn off after that 30 minutes for my top drip feeder that I'm going to use for my seedlings in my hydroponic system, right? So when those tomatoes need their water, it's going to come on for 30 minutes every 4 hours and only while the light is on. So if I need to adjust that, I can come back in, pop these up, and change it around on the fly without having to disconnect anything or pull out little pins and prongs that I have to go back in and fine tune. Now, with that said, your timing may vary depending on what you're growing, how much airflow, how much heat you have in your grow tent. I am starting out with the 30 minutes every 4 hours for these Sakura tomatoes. I will probably end up having to adjust it, but that's a good safe spot for my grow medium. All right, so again, if you're looking for one of these, this is a GE model 15075. They consider it a heavy duty timer. It's got the specs on the back. Again, if I can find it, I will put a link in the description below.